Alright, so the Ugandan space program is laughed at by many people, and for good reason. However, the geographical location of Uganda means that it's actually an excellent place for a space program. So let me explain. Say that this is a top down view of the Earth, so right here in the middle we have the North Pole. The Earth rotates from the west to the east. And as I presume you are currently standing on the Earth's surface, that means you are also moving east, as relative to the Earth, your position has not changed. Getting into orbit isn't easy because you need to reach a very high speed, and launching a rocket east takes advantage of the fact that you are already moving east, courtesy of the Earth rotating. Now, as everything on the Earth completes one rotation every 24 hours, this means that things near the equator are moving the fastest. Think about it this way: if you're standing on the North Pole for one day, you basically haven't moved because, the Earth rotates around the axis of the North Pole and the South Pole. However, if you start moving away from the North Pole, then the radius of the circle that you're rotating on becomes larger and larger. And at once you reach the equator, then this radius is the largest. So radius big, circumference big, 2 pi r. I don't know, I'm not good at math. Anyways, Uganda is located directly on the equator, so it's very efficient to get into orbit from there. I know that people say, oh, you shouldn't launch rockets from the equator because you want to orbit from the North Pole to the South Pole, so you can cover more territory for communications and stuff. But from the perspective of purely getting into orbit in the most efficient way possible, Uganda is very good. So support the Ugandan space program. Thank you.